at CII IGBC for giving us an opportunity to present at this August gathering here today in Goa at the Green Goa IGBC Conclave. I'm going to keep my presentation and talk very short and crisp. I'm here to talk about three things simply. You must be wondering what we do at Pune Gas. We are not gas suppliers. We don't sell gas. We don't sell LPG. We don't sell natural gas. We provide the infrastructure and the solutions that are needed by industries and commercial businesses to use gas efficiently. I said this because, of course, the name is Pune Gas. I'm the third generation. Our company is 40 years old. My grandfather served for Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited for 30 years. My father started the company and I'm proud to be taking the legacy forward since the last 13 years and keep innovating on products and technologies for specifically LPG, natural gas and hydrogen, which is now going to be the next step forward in the coming future for the world. In the last 40 years, we have innovated on a lot of products. We keep innovating every year with new products and technologies coming out. With LPG systems, leak detection systems, dual fuel kits, gas flow measuring systems and other gas related products, we basically provide the entire pin-to-plane solution for building the infrastructure and the solutions that businesses need to consume the gas. In the last month or so, the Gulf War in the Middle East has sort of come as a blessing for disguise for us, because finally I would like to say that businesses are taking gas much more seriously than they ever used to. We all know, and you must have heard about the shortage of LPG in the country. India is the third largest consumer of LPG. We consume 3.2 crore metric tons of gas, out of which 66% is imported and 90% of that comes from the Middle East. So all in all, 50% of India's LPG is imported from the Gulf and the Middle East. And of course, if there is a war there is going to be a shortage of LPG in the country. But not just our country is facing it, entire world is also facing it. So in the last month or so, we have been really flooded with calls from our customers, from partners on how we can source gas, how we can buy gas, and of course, how we can save gas. My presentation today is just going to talk about three simple things that can make buildings and businesses greener, that can help save cost, and also reduce your carbon footprint and your emissions to the environment. The three things are towards utilizing every drop of LPG, every drop of fuel, and not wasting the fuel in the first place. The second is saving water, conserving water as a very important resource for the world. And number three, reducing air pollution and reducing carbon emissions through better innovative technologies that we have. Number one, as you all know, LPG is used and consumed in cylinders. These cylinders are typically 19 kg cylinders which have been used in all around the world, which are called as VOT cylinders, vapor offtake. In this, the gas basically comes out as a vapor from the cylinder at only about 500 grams per hour is the flow rate from these typical cylinders. And even now, more than 95% of the businesses in the country use this old technology with vapor offtake. In these cylinders, 2 to 3 kg of gas is lost per cylinder, which is a loss to the business, loss to the economy, loss to the country. With a smart LPG system using LOT cylinders, which are liquid offtake cylinders, LPG can be used inside the cylinder to its last drop, giving the business 100% efficiency and saving tremendous amount of saving in gas. These LOT cylinders are available in India since 2007 for industrial and business consumers, but awareness is not there. Indian Oil, HPCL and BPCL, all the three oil companies of India, sell and market these cylinders across the country. And for a typical 5-star, 4-star or 3-star resort or hotel property of about 100 odd rooms, the savings that they can achieve just by converting from an old technology of a gas system to a newer technology is to the tune of about 15 lakh rupees in 1 year. Number two, how can we save water? There are a lot of hotels, especially 5-star hotels, resorts, which already use liquid offtake cylinders. But again, they use something called as a water bath vaporizer, which again is a older technology wherein water acts as the heating media to convert the liquid LPG into gas form. As you all might know, LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. It is predominantly in liquid form inside the cylinders as well. But what we use it in our kitchen is in gas form. So we have to convert the liquid into gas form, for which we need a evaporator or a heat exchanger, a vaporizer. This vaporizer consumes treated water or soft water as per the capacity of the vaporizer, against which a dry type vaporizing technology that is available in India now. Earlier it was being imported from US, Japan and Germany, but now we have a solution which is totally developed in India and made in India. More than 2000 businesses in India already use this product, which is a dry type vaporizer which consumes absolutely no water and has 70% energy efficiency, can lower the electricity consumption from a water vaporizer to a dry vaporizer. So in this, you don't only save electricity to about 70%, but also the most important thing that I really focus on is saving of water. Water is a precious resource. We all must treat it with respect, and we should not waste water where it's not necessary. For a non-productive thing like heat exchange of LPG, an average hotel of about 100 rooms can save about 50,000 liters of water every year. This is the difference that can be achieved by simply just putting in a dry type vaporizer, which is again not very expensive, from a water bath vaporizer which any industry or hotel is using wherever they are using LOT. And the third one is reducing carbon emissions, reducing pollution. This is a mandate given by the Central Pollution Control Board of India. Already it is in force and compulsory in Maharashtra and totally enforced in the NCR region in Delhi and our capital, around Gurgaon, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, the entire belt, Noida, wherein diesel generators that are used for backup, power backup, which run 100% on diesel, have to be replaced either with a retrofit emission control device, which is basically a filtration device that filters the diesel emissions, or the better thing to do is to install a dual fuel kit on your generator, which is a retrofit device. This device not just reduces the pollution, but also most importantly reduces cost, saves on fuel cost. Your diesel can be saved to the tune of almost 50%. The diesel replacement with gas could be about 70%, and the CO2 emissions can be reduced to 30% on carbon dioxide, but on SOx, NOx and carbon monoxide, it can be reduced to almost 40 to 50%. And the most important and the most harmful of them is particulate matter, PM 2.5, which it can reduce to almost 75%. And that's what our government wants to do. They want to reduce the particulate matter emissions, which are very harmful for humans. So with a fuel fusion dual fuel system, which can run on diesel, LPG, gas, it's a hybrid technology. Like cars, you have hybrid fuels. You can now run the diesel generator for power backup on hybrid fuels, which can be configured to LPG, and the same system can run on natural gas, also the piped gas, whenever it is available. The same system can also run on biogas or even on hydrogen whenever it becomes commercially viable and available in our country. So all in all, saving fuel cost, saving water, and reducing air pollution is three things that a hotel, a building, a resort, a business can effectively and efficiently do at a minuscule cost, become greener, become more efficient, and most importantly, save cost. We are empowering most of the hotel brands and all of them in the country with our solutions and offerings. One of the remotest of projects we've done in the hotel industry is for Taj Vivanta at Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, which is a completely remote location. We've done an LPG system and LOT cylinders are even available there. So if you have any doubts about LOT cylinders, they are available in Ladakh, to Tawang, to Kanyakumari, to Dwarka in the west, and each and every corner of our country is available. LPG is available there with the LOT cylinders. So we are powering all the top brands of hospitality industry in our country, and we are present across the length and breadth of the country. The name of our company might be Pune Gas. We are from Pune. We are very proud to be from a city which is very rich in heritage, culture, and driving a lot of innovation in the country. But we are present across the length and breadth and export to 20 countries across the world. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time.